If you've ever used Google Assistant, then you've probably heard of Chat as a Service. The feature allows users to communicate with their virtual assistant using messaging apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. And while Chat as is currently limited to chatbots, that could change soon. That's because the search engine giant just announced its new chatbot, BARD. Welcome to InfoTube USA, your source for professional information and technology videos. Developed by Google Research and launched on May 24, BARD is the company's first AI chatbot to use artificial intelligence instead of text-based conversations. Google's new breakthrough AI chatbot, BARD, is a virtual assistant that uses conversational language to understand user queries and respond with customized answers. In other words, it's a conversational bot that can hold conversations with humans. BARD's AI capabilities let the bot understand and respond to questions, send reminders, make shopping recommendations, and more. Basically, users can now have a bot that understands them and can take care of their needs. Google's chatbot BARD is an AI-powered chatbot designed to enable natural conversations between humans and machines. The chatbot was created to make it easier for people to access information, make decisions and engage in conversations with machines. BARD is powered by natural language processing, NLP, and conversational AI. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables machines to understand and process natural human language. The AI chatbot is capable of understanding complex conversations and can provide meaningful responses to user queries. This technology allows the chatbot to understand user queries and provide meaningful responses. The chatbot also uses machine learning algorithms to learn from user conversations and improve its response accuracy over time. The chatbot BARD provides several benefits to users. Firstly, it offers an improved user experience as it is able to understand natural language and provide meaningful responses to user queries. This means that users don't have to use complicated commands or guess what the chatbot expects as an answer. The AI chatbot is also able to learn from user conversations and improve its response accuracy over time. The Google's chatbot BARD is revolutionizing the way we communicate with machines. Google's chatbot BARD. There are also a few common challenges that businesses should be aware of when using the chatbot. Firstly, AI chatbots require a lot of data and feedback in order to learn and improve their performance over time. This can be a challenge for businesses as they may not have access to enough data to train their chatbot properly. Another challenge with AI chatbots is that they require regular maintenance and updates in order to ensure optimal performance. This can be a challenge for businesses as they may not have the resources or expertise to keep the chatbot up to date. Google's chatbot BARD has already been used by several businesses to improve customer experience and automate processes. For example, chatbot has been used by businesses to provide customers with product and service information, as well as provide helpful advice and suggestions. The chatbot has also been used to automate customer service and sales processes. BARD's innovative technology is powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. AI is a branch of computer science that enables machines to perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. Google's chatbot BARD is a revolutionary breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence and way of communicating with machines. With its advanced technology and capabilities, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines and make it easier for businesses to automate processes and save money. Thanks for watching InfoTube USA. Please, make sure to subscribe to our channel, InfoTube USA. Thank you again.